Yuck. So for the days when I don't drink bulletproof coffee, I take this keto supplement. It's from my husband's friend's shop. It's called Victoria's Fitness Supplement Store, I think. It claims to put you in ketosis within an hour after having it, and it does do the job, because I have obviously taken it, and I know for sure it works. And you guys, it tastes so good. Mine is in the flavor peach mango, and it literally tastes like cordial. Literally. The recommended scoop is a full scoop, but I don't really exercise and stuff right now, so I take half a scoop and I just fill in with 400 ml of water, and I mix it in this blender bottle, and I continue with my day. Oh, and also, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I take this after I eat my breakfast. You're supposed to take it like 30 minutes after you eat something in the morning. Anyway, I'm going to link the online store where I got the keto supplement from. It'll be down in the description box. Here, I'm just making my lunch. Or like, not lunch, dinner. And I'm just following the Headbangers recipe off YouTube. It's the chicken curry recipe. Again, I'll link everything down in the description box so you can follow the recipe if you do like what you're seeing. Is done. Look how good that looks. Guys, so I'm going to make tuna melt. I got the recipe from this page on Instagram. It's Keto Cookbook or something. Yeah, this is all you need. Oh, and parsley. And everything is in there. I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. Is my dinner: cauliflower rice and my chicken curry. Looks so yummy. Can't wait to dig in. Alright guys, this is the end of my day today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Good morning guys. So today I am going to the track, to the racing track. My husband's doing his test run. His event is end of August. So yeah, they go and do like a test run and see how the car is doing and yada yada yada. So because I'll be out, I don't wanna just, eat junk, because we'll be out there for a few hours. So I'm just going to make a burger today, and I'll take that with me. We're going there on 4, so once we're there in about an hour, I'm gonna eat, and then that will be my dinner because I stopped eating around 6 anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna make my almond flour bread. I'll show you. It's like a mug bread. It's like the easiest thing you can make. And then I'll show you when I'm eating for breakfast too. Today I didn't make bulletproof coffee. I didn't make such a tongue twister. I didn't make bulletproof coffee yesterday either. I mean, it's honestly, they say you should, but I eat enough amount of fats in a day, and that's bulletproof coffee is supposed to be healthy fats. So that's why you should take that first thing in the morning. But yeah, can't really do that every day. So yeah, I'm gonna go show you how I make my mug bread, and I'll see you then. Here's all the stuff that you need for the bread. I added parsley and garlic and herb spice in here, only because I add these two in everything. And it gives a little bit of more taste to the bread. It just tastes bland, you know? You want a little bit of flavor in there. So I'm just going to crack the egg. Then add my butter. And some kid is crying on the street. And then you just give it a good stir. Usually the consistency is a little bit thicker than this, but I think I added a little too much butter. It's all good. It's still gonna turn out good. I'm just gonna put it in here. Can't see, can you? There you go. Here is the mug bread. You know what though? I realized I didn't put baking powder in it. Oh, there you go. It smells really good too. Put it in like half to make it look like a burger bun. Butter and And here's my breakfast. Eggs, avocado dip, the tuna melt that I made 3 days ago. I eat like one a day. Some chipotle aioli and sriracha sauce. And my tea. Alright, I'm gonna go eat this. I'll see you in a bit. Here's my burger patty. Just gonna put a slice of cheese on one. My burger is ready. Yum. Now I'm gonna pack this and make this to go, and I'm gonna eat it at the track.